Hey, this is Rush, and in this video, I would like to welcome you to the exciting world of our TikTok Explorer. Now, we know how frustrating it can be to sift through endless TikTok videos trying to find that one viral product. That's why we've created an Explorer that will take the guesswork out of the equation and put the hottest products and trends right at your fingertips. Now let's go through a little tutorial on how to best utilize the TikTok Explorer. So right away, the best way to use this Explorer is to really filter to kind of what you're looking for and definitely kind of try to focus on your niche. So let's first pick a niche here. Let's go with beauty, for example. And right away here, you're gonna be able to see a bunch of beauty products. And let's do a little bit more filtering to kind of zero in on products with a little bit more plays, right? So let's go plays 50,000. And also let's go with a created date after, let's say, March 1st. Let's look at the filters here. Let's apply. And let's pick a product here that seems interesting here. Let's go with this product here. Let's inspect. So right away, let's look at the trend chart for this particular TikTok and this particular cosmetic item. So we're gonna see here that it has been gaining in traction over the last little while. You know, it started off here at 3 million and now it's all the way up to 5 million plays. And we're gonna be able to look at likes and shares and comments as well. So this TikTok here, we're gonna be able to, obviously check out the video. And this is a really cool product where it's like a cosmetics bag that also doubles as a mirror, and you're gonna be able to put your stuff in there. So it's pretty cool, and obviously it's a viral product. So right at the top here, we're gonna be able to quickly tell that this product has a very good engagement rating. And the way we look at engagement here is that anything between 4 to 18% is considered a very good engagement rating, and this product is at 11%. So it's people are definitely reacting to this product, and they are engaging with it by showing it love, basically likes and shares and comments about this product. So this is something, a product that we should be interested in. So let's investigate this product a little bit and get some more details about it. So one of the things that we can do is we can click on the store intelligence to look at the advertiser that is selling this product, and we'll be able to check out their store and see what other products that they're promoting. Click store intelligence. And right away, we can see that this store really has apparently just one product. So this particular store right here has just one product. And let's actually go and confirm this here by looking at the store URL. Let's look here for a second. Yeah, it looks like, the Shop Cosmetic Mirror Organizer. This looks like the only product that this advertiser is promoting. So they basically built this entire store based on this one product. That shows you that this product is obviously doing really well for them, as they built an entire Shopify store on this product. So this seems like a really good product for us to kind of maybe add to our store. So let's do that right now. Let's try to find a supplier for this product. In order to be able to add it to our store, we need to obviously be able to sell it. We need to find a supplier. So we can do that by clicking on the supplier finder right here. And now we're gonna have basically a bunch of suppliers show up for this product, so we can add it to our store. So right away here, we can see that this, there's a bunch of suppliers for this product. This is the product here again. This is the product. So really, it's our choice here to pick whichever supplier we want to use for this product. So maybe we'll just go with this supplier right here. So now we are in the push to store page, and this is where we basically prepare this product to be added to our store. So we have a store here, we have a shop store here that we have, and we want to add this product to our store. Now, what I want to use here is, I don't want to use this static here description. I want to create a unique description for this product. So I'm going to use our AI brand builder, which already comes included with Sell the Trend. So we click on this, and here we are at the AI brand builder. So basically, the AI brand builder is going to allow us to create great content for our product. So we can do Facebook, we can do TikTok ads, we can do Google ads, but also we can create product descriptions. And this is what we're really interested in doing right now. So all I have to do basically is just click on generate. And right away, it's gonna write a completely SEO friendly and unique product description for this product. Not only is it going to be related to the product, but also is going to include some features and benefits and all that good stuff. And all we have to do now is just click on use this. What that's going to do is going to send this product description that it just wrote back to our push to store page. And here is the content that we just created. And we select a few pictures that we're interested in. Let's set a price as well. I think the price that the other store was selling it was at $53. Let's basically push to store. And this is going to send this product straight into our shop. And that's it. It's already pushed to our store and ready to promote.